Hello. The pandemic, which began in 2020, has been a real test. We've all been challenged in different ways. We've been exposed to widespread sickness and death. We've had to cope with risk and with isolation. What has helped and what's made it harder? On the 22nd of June, I'm leading a morning on Zoom called Virtues for Human Flourishing. I hope it'll help us reflect on what we've discovered both about our vulnerability and about our capacity for endurance, and encourage us to think about how we might recover both as individuals and whole societies. In thinking about the challenges life throws at us, we used to speak of moral fibre, of habits of mind and character that enable us to flourish through good times and through bad. What could and should build us up today? It's a fascinating question, especially as at the moment so many of the issues of resilience and well-being are now seen as medical issues rather than as personal and communal ones. Is there a role still for virtue? I have to say I find virtue a rather prim and priggish word, but it reminds us that we are choosing and discerning beings. There is a point to the search for everyday wisdom in the way we live. So we'll look at virtues for human flourishing from the past and the present. We'll look at the contribution of both faith and philosophy and at how we go about cultivating habits of mind and body that might help us to live a fulfilled life. Do join me. Virtues for Human Flourishing, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. on Tuesday, the 22nd of June.